Welcome to 1946 South Racine. This is unit 4F. We have a nice pantry or hall closet. Of course, brand new washer dryer in unit. And then it extends into a very large kitchen, huge kitchen, stools for 4 people, and then a very open concept. You can get a large sectional and even a small little dining table over here. The windows are very large and you have the entire skyline for you here. There's additional storage in that closet, and then we'll go check out the bedrooms down the hall. Once again, very tall ceilings. This bedroom measures approximately a 10 by 10. Nice closet in there as well. And this bedroom, they're basically mirror images of each other. I'll show you the closet. Very large. You have great natural light here. Extremely tall ceilings. We go right into the hall bath. Once again, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath. This is the master suite. Beautiful floors. Everything is brand new. The closet is a walk-in closet, massive. And then you have your ensuite bath here. Once again, 1946 South Racine, unit 4F. Very tall ceilings, about 10 by 10 for the second bedrooms. Nice, huge master suite with closet, washer dryer in unit, and very large kitchen and the skyline views through these massive windows.